Alright YouTubers, here we have this Westinghouse bottom mount. I already actually have one of these found, so this one's going to be going to go for sale. Ow. Only thing I'm keeping off this fan is I'm going to keep the down rod and canopy. I will give it the shorter down rod off mine, because mine can't use the canopy because it's not a stub down rod. But yeah, besides that, the fan works perfectly. I had to make a little bit of adjustment. This little housing piece was too high up, so I put some washers between the screws that hold it on there, and now I have enough clearance to get the blades on there. Let's go ahead and start off on low. So it kind of has a bit of a worn bearing, it sounds like. Might need to be replaced in its future. The fan itself runs fairly good, and it's well balanced. That is our low speed. Our medium speed. There's more rain. We're going to go to high. See, there are 3 clearly markable speeds. Sorry about the rain in the background, not much I can do about that. So let's go ahead and do spin down. And yes, I know there's a metal piece where this handle, it works fine, it doesn't shock you or anything like that. So, guessing someone either lost it or broke the knob in its past and made something to replace it. We have one more fan test tonight. That's the second peerless. After that, I might test the Type 36 again, because I have replaced that bracket that was broken and rewelded with a replacement bracket I had. We'll see how well it runs now. This one runs pretty good, actually. Like I said, it just has that bearing noise. There we go. Thanks for watching.